Solar system. Hi.
Hello. Can you tell me about solar system?
Yes, of course.
Today I will tell you about solar system. A solar system is a collection of the Sun, 8 planets, and their moons, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and dwarf planets revolving around the Sun. The 8 planets revolving around the Sun in a sequence are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let us now understand them in brief. The Sun.
The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a hot ball of gases that gives off great amounts of energy. Life on Earth depends on light and heat from the Sun. The Sun consists mostly of the gases hydrogen and helium. Its core is very hot, probably reaching about 15,600,000 degrees Celsius. The hydrogen is packed in tightly at the core. The comet. A comet is a big ball of particles, including rocks, ice, and dust. This big ball containing most of the material is called a nucleus. When they come close to the Sun, the particles in the comet heat up. This makes the comet appear bright and almost as if it has a tail. The asteroid. Asteroids are small rocky objects that orbit the Sun. Although asteroids orbit the Sun like planets, they are much smaller than planets. There are lots of asteroids in our solar system. Most of them live in the main asteroid belt, a region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The meteoroid. A meteoroid is a small rocky or metallic object traveling through space. A small rocky or metallic object burning up in Earth's atmosphere is called a meteor. And a small rocky or metallic object that has already hit the Earth's surface is called a meteorite. The Moon. A moon is a celestial body that makes an orbit around a planet, including the 8 major planets, dwarf planets, and minor planets. A moon may also be referred to as a natural satellite, although to differentiate it from other astronomical bodies orbiting another body. The Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It's just a little bigger than Earth's moon. It is the closest planet to the Sun, but it's actually not the hottest. Venus is hotter. It is one of the rocky planets. It has a solid surface that is covered with craters. It has no atmosphere, and it doesn't have any moons. The Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It is still the hottest. It consists of an atmosphere full of carbon dioxide and clouds made of sulfuric acid. The atmosphere traps heat and keeps the planet toasty warm. It also doesn't have any moons. It is very similar to Earth, and because of this, it is referred to as Earth's sister. The Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only planet to have life. It has an atmosphere containing oxygen, water on its surface. In the solar system, Earth is the 5th largest planet. About 71% of Earth's surface is made up of the ocean. The remaining 29% of Earth's surface is land, consisting of continents and islands. It has one moon. The Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. It is half the size of Earth. Mars is sometimes called the red planet. It's red because of rusty iron like Earth. Mars has seasons, polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. It has a very thin atmosphere made of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon. It has 2 moons. The Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined, being 318 times bigger than Earth. Jupiter has rings surrounding it, but they are very faint and hard to see. It has 79 moons. The Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. Saturn is the king of the moons because it has 82 moons. The Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and the 3rd largest of all the planets in our solar system. Uranus is considered as ice giants. It is mostly made of flowing icy materials above a solid core. It has 27 moons. The Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and farthest known solar planet from the Sun. In the solar system, it is the 4th largest planet by diameter, the 3rd most massive planet, and the densest ice giant planet. Neptune has 14 moons.